Oh, it's going.
Okay. So Bradley. Okay. Look at this table. This is a cool table. Great Grandpa and Grandma got this table for you. But look. What is this?
What is that?
It's not just a table. There's trains in this table.
Oh, here it comes now. Oh, Moxie has to be part of it.
Look at the face. What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a car there. Look.
Daddy put a car.
Whoa. This is from his second birthday.
It's a red, blue, and yellow train.
Whoa.
Very cool.
That one just flew across the room. Uh-oh.
That's
right.
okay. There,
Okay.
you got it. Okay.
Shoot.
Whoa.
Is this cool or what?
Oh, okay. I'm in this chair.
Okay. You go choo 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 choo. Oh, even Thomas the train like
Thomas, they all fit. Wait, keep going. Choo-choo train.